Sumabay na naman.
Jersey number 13. Intercepted. And a foul. Committed by
Kap!
number
Tatlo ka
5.
na. Huwag ka na sumabay.
Number 8.
Foul yun. Buti hindi ka
First
na
personal foul on jersey number 8. Warning for foul trap. Number 14. Passing jersey number 12. Number 12. To 14. Lays up. Reject. That's personal. Number 14 in. Number 8 out. Jersey number 9. Pass to 14. To number 12. Shot good. Jersey number 9 to 10. Green. Jersey number 18, lays up. 3 points. Number 7 to 14. Pass to 10. Off the mark. Number 5. Intercepted. Jersey number 9. Number 9. Lays up good. Rebound by number 13. Tigers. Pass straight to number 14. Number 14. Lays up good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Passing inside. Intercepted.
Bad pass.
Jersey number 14. Pass to number 5.
Baba!
Foul. Committed by number 9.
Derecho!
First personal foul, jersey number 9. 2 shots for jersey number 18. First one is not good. Last throw. Good. Number 9. Jersey number 14. To 10. Off the mark. Number 9. Third up forward. Remote by number 9. Next up forward. Intercepted by jersey number 10. Si Castro. Pass to inside. Reverse. And a foul coming from number 13. Substitution. Number 16. Number 18 now. Third personal foul. On jersey number 13. 2 charity shot for jersey number 8. First throw, miss.
Rebound, rebound!
Last throw. Good. Intercepted. Jersey number 14, Marcelo. Pass to number 9, to 10. Intercepted. And a foul. Foul jersey number 15. Fourth personal foul, number 13. Warning for foul down. First throw miss. Last throw. Jersey number 10 and number 6. On court. Out of bounds. Number 9. To 10. Pass to number 14, Marcelo. Off the mark. Foul on jersey number 6. Second personal foul. Jersey number 10, Castro. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Green. Number 8 to 10. Jersey number 8. 8 to 7. Right the flag. Jersey number 10. Number 10. 8 to 7 again.
Asa!
Number 5. Passing number 6. Plays up 2 points. Number 14. Pass to number 9. Bono to inside. Jersey number 12. 2 points. Official score 59. 30. 2 points on jersey number 10.
At durog na.
Number 5. And number 8. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Next up. 2 points. Number 9. Bono. To number 10. Back to number 9. 13 seconds to shoot.
Foul!
Number 5. To number 8. Easy 2 points. Official score 61-42. Number 9. Number 10. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Raise up. 2 points.
Baba tayo!
Number 10 to 12. Good. And a foul. Jersey number 10. Push me foul. Second personal foul. Fourteen seconds on the shot clock. And a foul committed by.
Penalty!
Penalty. Penalty. Third personal foul on jersey number 5. 2 shots for number 14. First one is no good. Last row.
Free throw lang eh.
Good. Number 10. Foul on jersey number 14. Fourth personal foul on number 14. Warning for foul out.
Ay, nako.
Second team foul. First row is missed. Last row. Good. Official score is 65-47. Number 7 to number 9. Back to number 7. 3-point attempt. Three! Number 9. 3-point attempt. Off the mark. 2 points at number 12. Number 14 to number 6. 2 points.
Out ba? Ha?
Jersey number 6.
Easy.
Pass to number 10. 3-point attempt.
Layo.
Number 10 to 14. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Charging.
Malaki na lamang, no?
Substitution. Third personal foul on number 6.
Kuya, ba't mo binibidyoan?
Parang maano yung tawag ng referee.
Ah,
Pag mali yung tawag, saka yung laro ng mga player.
Number 6 to number 9. Back to number 6. Pass to number 5. Number 6. 10 seconds. And a foul. Foul on number 14.
Luloy! Luloy!
First row is good. Substitution. Jersey number 8.
Atin na ang ganyan.
Ball remain.
Atin na ang ganyan.
Ano yan?
Ganyan.
Natingin ka, ganito?
Ganyan, atin na ako.
Ah,
Ang flavor ay ako.
Rebound by Lasan.
Ay, Superman.
ba't matama yun?
Number 9. Pass to number 7. 3-point attempt.
Wala niya, papalabas.
Hindi.
Jersey number 18. Lays up. No good. Rebound by number 9 to 18. Lays up.
Travel.
Basket nullified. It's a traveling violation. Number 6 to number 8.
Ha?
Pass to number 7 to number 5. 3-point
Oh.
attempt. Number 6 to number 5. Melencio. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 9 to number 6. 10 seconds on the shot clock. No good.
Tulak.
Rebound by number 8 Tigers. Pass to number 11. Number 11 to number 10. Number 10 fakes and fires. No good. Number 18.
Ah!
No good again. Number 9 on the attack. Pass to number 12. 2 points.
Nahabol na lang ako.
Time remaining. 15 seconds.